Hi guys, and welcome to another YouTube video, 10 rules of cold calling. And this is my suggestion to you: don't make another cold call before watching this video. This video is very compulsory because I would be talking around 10 rules that you need to do around cold calling before getting on the call, so that you get the maximum potential out of the call. Maybe you are doing cold calls right now and getting a conversion rate 2%, 5%, 10%, but just imagine after this video, if your conversion rate even improves by 2%, how much you would earn in a year, right? So it's a humble request. Please watch this video very carefully, take notes, and don't do another call before watching this video. So let's get into the rule 1. It's be honest, transparent, and straightforward. That's the rule 1. That means when you go on the call, you need to be honest. That means you are not doing some fake thing. You are not trying to misguide them or manipulate them. You are very honest. Second, you need to be transparent that, yeah, this is a cold call and I'm trying to give you some opportunity or some offer or some thing that I want to offer basically, and you need to be transparent about that because people understand that these are cold calls. And the third thing is you need to be straightforward. Don't beat around the bush, be straightforward. If you don't have a script like for cold calling, you can click the banner above and a script would be loaded, which you can definitely use. It is one of the highest viewed YouTube videos of mine in which I have given you the perfect calling script for your cold calling, or if you're selling a low ticket offer below 1000 rupees, so that would be the perfect thing. So that's the rule 1: be honest, transparent, and straightforward. Now rule number 2, it's be interesting, because if you must have heard cold calls from credit card companies or debit card companies, or people selling websites, you must see they are kind of boring and dull. When your cold call is interesting, you automatically become memorable. When you are memorable, people try to do business with you because now you are in their mind and not anybody else. So be interesting. Some of the ways you can be interesting is by manipulating your tone, your voice modulation. That can be thing that can generate interest in people. Second, you can build curiosity around the call or curiosity around the product. Now your product or service may be different, so I cannot give particular example for your thing, but you can definitely comment down below. I'll try to answer all the comments as much as I can. Now comes the rule 3, which is must have a belief that you can sell on every call, because I see cold callers as having a belief that, yeah, I'll make 100 calls and get 2 people interested. Now that, if that's your belief, you will get the same results. But why not have a belief, yeah, that every call I go on, that would be a sale. Now maybe that's not the case, but you'll definitely not have a conversion rate of 2%. Your conversion rate may go at 5% or 10% or even 20% when you're cold calling, right? So have a belief in your mind, yeah, that you can sell on every call. And if you look at technically, then what is 2% conversion rate? That means on these 100 calls, 2 people would find your thing as interesting, correct? That is what we call as 2% conversion rate. Now why cannot those 2 people come every time whenever you call in 50 pairs? Right? So you need to have a belief that you can basically sell on every call, which will increase your conversion rate to exponential results. Now comes rule number 4: discover and solve problems on the call. Because right now you're just offering, you are pitching, you are presenting, but you are not doing something which is called as solving problems. If you are not able to solve the problem of the customer on the call itself, how do you think the person will buy your product? When you go to take a mobile, you ask some questions to the person who is selling you the mobile, and he basically solves your problems. Okay, you need a camera, so this mobile would be perfect for the camera. You need a good battery, okay, so you can do this. Or you need to play this game, so this would be the perfect thing. And he's trying to solve a problem for you, due to which you buy the mobile phone or whatever you're going to buy. And people buy because either you are solving a desire of theirs, or you're solving a pain of theirs. So solve problems on the call, or try to understand the desire of the person that you are getting on the call with, and you will see automatically higher conversion rates. Rule number 5: be logical and structured. Again, be logical. Don't beat around the bush, and don't try to think that you're over smart and you can befool people, because that's not the case. If you have a good product, if you believe in your product, then be logical and try to convince the customer logically and explain him how your product or service would help him in his business, in his life, or whatever you're trying to sell. And the second is be structured. Now what do I mean by being structured? If you don't have a proper script or a structured template that you can use every time on the call, you will not have repeatable success. 1 week may go very good, 1 week you may feel a very down, or 1 month would be very good, 1 month would be very bad. The simple reason is because you are using different things at different time. If you have a proper structure or a script, you would be able to get maximum results. Again, if you don't have the script, click the banner above and you can have the script. It's free. I've shared in detail. It was basically a video of one of the seminars which we took, and all the people who are sitting in that seminar have paid 25,000 rupees to sit on that seat. So yeah, that's a very good script that we shared over there, and you can get it for free. Rule number 6: be respectful that they don't know you. Have empathy that they don't know you, because if you call over them and they just cut your call and you feel negative or you feel frustrated or irritated, there are problem on the two sides. You need to understand that they don't know you. You're a stranger who's trying to sell something to them, so they'll obviously hang up the call, because nobody likes to be sold, they like to buy. And secondly, you don't need to take it personally, because be respectful that they don't know you. And if someone asks you on the call that I don't know you or I don't trust you or anything like that, don't take it personally on you. Respect that, and what you can say is, I totally understand that you don't know me, you don't trust me, so my name is blah 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 and I work with blah 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 and we provide blah 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 blah. So you can use these kind of statements to basically gain the trust and the rapport with the person, so that they start feeling a little bit kind of relation with you, so that they basically understand that they know you. Rule number 7: be enthusiastic. If you are on the call like, hi sir, this is blah blah from blah blah company and I can help you with blah blah, and this is not how you do a cold call, because if you go with this energy on the call, the person would automatically detect that and feel like just cut the call, because nobody likes low energy, everybody likes high energy. If you go on the call, hi, my name is this and I work with the company this and I think this can help you, we offer da 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 da, let's say you say this, then it's basically even a better thing. And your energy is also dependent on the script. If the script you're using is not that good, maybe your energy would be low. But if the script you're using is good and you're trying to solve a problem of the customer on the call, then you will automatically feel enthusiastic, because now you are providing value to the market for free, which basically excites you. For example, I'm excited right now. The simple reason is I'm providing you value by sharing this video and helping you get better with your cold calling thing. Rule number 8: be memorable. As we said, be interesting. Now it's be memorable, because when you become interesting, you automatically become memorable. But let's say you are not even interesting, you can make yourself memorable. Like have some jingle that you can say at the end, or tell them about a time that you will call them, or tell some funny name or a funny story or something like that, which would make you memorable. Because let's say you're selling website service, right? That you provide websites to business owners for 25,000 rupees. Let's say that's your selling. Now what you can do is, let's say I'm on the call and the person asks me, so what is the price of a website? I'll say 25 rupees. And they'll be like, what? I'm like, I'm sorry, it's 25,000 rupees. Now what I did over there was just create a little bit of humor. So next time the person is like, I want a website, he'll not remember any other website owner, but he'll remember me because I said 25 rupees. Now obviously it's 25,000, but just because of saying that one little sentence, I become more memorable in terms of the memory of the person compared to any other competitor. Got it? Now it's rule number 9: be entertaining. If you cannot entertain the person on the call, why do you think the person would be on a call with you? Because all the things are in your favor. You are trying to sell something, you are trying to get a commission, you are trying to make a sale. Why would the person be interested in you having this much value? You need to entertain the person so the value is equal on both the sides. When the value is equal on both the sides, nobody cuts the phone, and you get the chance to basically understand the customer and provide your service to the customer. So be entertaining. Some ways you can be entertaining is by telling a little funny jokes, or telling stories. Stories is a wonderful way to become entertain someone. And what else can you do? You can also tell them that once they come in, they'll enjoy this, or whatever is your thing. Try to be more entertaining. And this is the last rule. Rule number 10: have third-party data ready. So the moment someone asks, have you done this for someone else or blah blah blah, have third-party data ready. That we have done this for this company, they got this results. This company, this results. This company, this results. When you say that, people feel something called as social proof. That means when you're calling them, you're calling with authority. That means you have already provided results to other people and you can provide the same results to them as well, due to which a trust increases and you can get better results on the call. Let's say you're working somewhere and you are not allowed to share any confidential data or something like that. What you can do is, we already have a team of these many salespeople, they are making all these calls. Now the reason we are able to make these calls is because we believe in our service and we are constantly getting clients. Now you can say that because the person would feel, if there are 10 callers, there would be salaries and the company would be huge, due to which they're calling me. So it again increases the trust. Try to have more social proof in your call so that the person feels that you come with the authority and you have some third party data ready for the customer. So here are the rule 10. One more thing, last thing that I want to cover with you is this, that if you want the same video in Hindi, like अगर आपको ये पूरा वीडियो हिंदी में चाहिए and I explain every point in Hindi, those same 10 points in Hindi free on this YouTube channel, I want you to do 3 things. First, like the video. Second, subscribe button दबाओ, नीचे एक रेड कलर का बटन है, the red button, click on it, it's the subscribe button. Second is that. Third, comment Hindi, just comment Hindi. If we get 25 comments on this video, I will make a special video, and whenever I make that video and upload that video, I will reply to each one of your comments that I have made the video in Hindi that you requested. You can basically get a notification that I have replied, and you can click on that notification and basically get the video in Hindi. So just 25 comments, type Hindi, and you'll have the Hindi version of this video. Thank you for watching. Press the subscribe button. Remember to do that. Thank you.